All right guys, so it's February 19th. I'm here at the local Harley Davidson dealership and we've got some exciting news. You can now tune your 21 year model bikes. However, there are only tunes for the Pro Street tuner. There are no tunes available as of yet for the auto tuner. Also, they have changed the connector on the ECM, so Harley is calling it their first to market advantage on that. So they're gonna be the first tuners available for those bikes. One thing you guys need to know and keep in mind, this is not new news, but some people don't know this. Starting for 2017 and up year model bikes, if you use an aftermarket tuner on your Harley Davidson, it will flag your ECM and void your powertrain warranty. But if your bike's a little older and your factory warranty has run out or you don't have one period, don't worry about it. You can still run the other tuners. I don't know when those will be made available based on the little connector issue, but I would imagine they should come out pretty soon. I just wanted to give you guys that update as well as give you that information in case you didn't know about your warranty. Thanks for watching, guys.